Hello everyone, I'm Shleshmi CS from 3rd BCom. Today's my topic is sales ledger for GST. So we will start with altering sales ledger to enable it for GST. The same step can follow even we want to create a new GST sales ledger. If you are not altering sales ledger and do not enable GST in that ledger, GST will not be automatically calculated and will not get displayed while creating a sales voucher which include GST. We can have two different sales ledger, namely domestic sales and industrial sales. First one is domestic sales ledger. Let us assume that we have already created a sales ledger in Tally named domestic sales under sales account. We will use the sales ledger to alter. In that ledger alteration screen, we can see the statutory information section on the left hand side. Enter the following details to alter to enable the sales ledger to GST. First one is GST is applicable. Set to this applicable. And second one is set or alter GST details. Press Y and press enter. Then the following screen appears. Then enter the description and the adjacent code which we will get from our GST registration. And next one, nature of transaction. That means there are different nature of transaction. Select sales taxable from the various options. For sales inside the state, select sales taxable, exempt or nil rated. For sales outside the state, select interstate sales taxable, exempt or nil rated. Similarly, select a particular transaction type as per our business. Finally, set the tax rates under the options tax type as shown in the picture above the press enter to save the details. The next point is type of supply. There can be either goods or service in our business. Select one of the option. Here good is selected. The next one is service tax applicability. We can either put in undefined or not applicable. Next, press enter few times and save the ledger with all the details. We have successfully created a sales ledger, namely domestic sales in Tally, and have enabled GST details for the ledger too. Interstate sales ledger. Let us assume that we have already created a sales ledger in Tally named interstate sales under sales account. We will use the sales ledger to alter. In the ledger alteration screen, we can see the statutory information section on the left hand side. Enter the following details to alter, enable the sales ledger for GST. First one is GST applicable. Set to applicable. And second one is set or alter GST details. Press Y and press enter. Then the following screen appear. Okay. Enter the description and adjacent code we will get from our GST registration. Nature of transaction. That is, there are different nature of the transaction. Select interstate sales taxable from the various options. Finally, set the tax under the option tax type as shown in the picture above and press enter to save the details. Type of supply. There can be either goods or service in our business. Select one of the options. Here good is selected. Next point is service tax applicability. We can either put the undefined or not applicable. Next point is press enter few times and save the ledger with all details. We have successfully created a sales ledger, namely interstate sales, in Tally, and have enabled GST details for the ledger too. So this is my topic. Thank you.